Hello, welcome to this Getting Started tutorial. Today we're getting started with Sage Skills Business. In this short video, we'll go over how to access Sage Skills Business, what kind of information is available, and how to navigate modules. Let's get started. Visit the library's website at lib.purdue.edu to access the library's A to Z list of databases. You'll find Sage Skills Business on this list. Sage Skills Business provides easy access to a range of multimedia content in the areas of data analytics, entrepreneurship, leadership, organizational communication, and professionalism that help students develop high-demand skills needed to transition from campus to the workplace. This is the homepage for Sage Skills Business. Near the top of the page, you can search for content by keyword or use the advanced search options to create a more detailed search. Further down the page, you can browse different modules based on your area of interest. If you aren't sure where to begin, you can take a self-assessment and be guided to content tailored to your specific needs. Let's do a quick keyword search for brand management. Under Quick Filters on the left, you can narrow your results by content type, discipline or date, or search within the list of results. On the right, you'll find specific skills related to your search. The skill will show you the author, publication date, and type of content contained within that skill, abstract, as well as the module that skill falls under within this resource. Let's return to the home page and look at things from the module level. For example, we'll choose Organizational Communication. From here, you'll find an overview of the topic with additional references at the top of the page, followed by the specific skills within this module. You can select any skill you're interested in to start, as they're in no particular order. Let's select Communicating with Stakeholders. Here you can see that the skill is broken down into different competencies that contain a variety of different content types, from readings, videos from the experts in the field, even interactive scenarios that provide immediate feedback. Once you've been through each of the competencies within a skill, you can return to the module and select another skill to work through. Now you know how to access Sage Skills Business, what kind of information is available, and how to navigate modules. For more information on other business-related resources, visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. If you have any questions, please contact the Parish Library at parlib@purdue.edu. Thanks for watching.